Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of April, it is the Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather Palette. And we're getting out of sweater weather time. I just thought that these colors look so springful and I wanted to share them with you. So that giveaway goes on through the end of the month. There is a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter that one. I also have a Easter giveaway. I've got all sorts of stuff. Look, check them out in the description box down below. So today we are unboxing the FabFitFun Spring Editors Box. And so FabFitFun ships out quarterly. It's usually like skincare, makeup, hair care, some lifestyle type things for your house type of things. It's $49 a month. You can get it a little cheaper if you do purchase an annual membership. I do have a code for them. It'll save you a little bit off your first box. Helps you out. It kind of helps me out on my future FabFitFun purchases. And so I'll put that link in the description box down below. If you want to use it, go ahead. If you don't, that's okay too. So in between the seasonal months, they have what they call their editor sale, and in their editor sale you can get, it's basically everything is an add-on. So it's an add-on sale, so you can get a box that the editors pick out for you for $49. I know that this one's a little different. Normally it was kind of products here or there and everywhere. This one is products kind of from the spring box that, you know, hopefully I didn't get, so it's not like a duplicate, and now I'm able to check out some of their other products. You know, the value is supposed to be over $200. The box itself was $49. One of the other add-ons, you can do a bunch of different add-ons. Yeah, they have all sorts of products at hugely discounted prices. One of the other things you can get is a mystery box, and it's $29, and then there's over $75 worth of value. And I've already gone ahead and opened that one, and that was my last unboxing that I did. So once we're done with this, if you want to go check that one out, you can see what I got in my mystery box, which I was really happy about. So let's find out what is in the spring box, spring editors box. So they did put in here the same kind of magazine that they put in their spring box. It talks about the different products that are inside with the editor, with the spring. With the editor's box editions, you don't get the customization choices like you do in your normal box. So everything is kind of a surprise. In here, they also have some really cool articles, recipes, all sorts of good stuff. So in the first section, in your regular spring box, you had the choice between the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Anti-Aging Light Device, the Donny Reed Sweater Coat, the Caravan Diamond Woven Rug, the Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote, the West Elm Indigo Tie-Dye Bowls, and the LMS Peptide 4-Night Recovery Cream Oil. So when I got my spring box, and I'll leave a link to that video where I unboxed that in the description box down below, I did choose the Revive Light Therapy because I'm really big on that and I love it. And so this one, they sent me the Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote. Oh, this is really cute. How fun this looks. How fun this looks. And it's huge. You can hold all sorts of summer fun things in here. It does have a snap at the top. And then there is an inner pocket kind of here as well. So this retails for $50. That just paid for the your entire box. So this, what it says a little bit about this, is if you spend the summer days lounging by the pool or sunbathing at the beach, you're going to love having this cotton beach tote by your side. It's big enough to hold your towel, cover up, SPF, sunglasses, and of course, your Frisbee and romance novel. The thoughtful design features a nautical rope handle, an interior pocket, also known as a perfect spot for your cell phone, and a snap closure to keep your summer essentials safe and secure. This tote was designed and partnered with the Eva Longoria Foundation, whose mission is to help Latinas build better future for themselves. Love, love, love it. I think this is super cute. So your next couple of choices were, you could have got the Calpak set of 3 packing cubes in sorbet or tutti frutti. I did do those as an add-on last time because you can also, when you're doing your main box, you can add on other boxes as well for a little bit extra, and you always need more packing cubes. They will change the way that you travel. Just saying. I know nobody's traveling right now, hopefully in the future. The Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, the Shoshana Umbrella, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink H2O Hydration Boost, the Tarte Tardius Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette, the 311 Rose Gold Radiance Booster. And I think I chose the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion for my spring box. And let's see what they gave me for this one. They did give me what I added on last time, which is the Calpak packing cubes. This is in the shade Tutti Frutti. So they kind of come like this. I love that there's a label here, so you can label this and say that this is your Monday outfit, Tuesday out, whatever, however you want to organize things. I do like that there is also a zipper on the back as well for easy access to things. So this is the large size. The large is 17 by 12 inches by 3 inches. It does have, you know, a breathable mesh, and there's even a top handle here. So this set retails for $40. Here is the medium one. The medium one is 15 by 11 by 3. And then here is the small one. This would be perfect for like your undergarments or your swimsuits or anything like this. This does retail by 12 by 8.8 by 3. You know, you get the 3 pieces, the small, the medium, and the large. It fits perfectly into your luggage and drawers. The back zipper pocket for additional storage. Like I said before, you can't get enough, can't have enough of these. I love them, love them. I think I might send some off with my son who's gonna go to college in the fall, so love it. So next you could have got the Amber Seeds, a double coin necklace, the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask, the We 2-in-1 Purity and Glow Mask Collection. I did do that for my spring choice. The Cosmetic Pure Sea, which I've gotten in a past box, the Green Goo Hibiscus Plant-Based Body Scrub. I did get the Green Goo Body Scrub in the scent Hibiscus. I just ran out of my other body scrub. I think it was a Manicadar one that I was using before. This does retail for $35 and it is cruelty free. It's our body scrubs are so delectable blend of organic oils and herbs with mineral sea salts designed to gently exfoliate and moisturize your skin while improving circulation, leaving you with a soft, youthful, nourished glow. Feel refreshed with the soft scents of hibiscus, lavender, rose, and honeysuckle. I can really smell the honey. It's got a really kind of sweet smell to it. So I can't wait to try that. Like I said, I just literally ran out of my other body scrub today, so perfect timing. So next you could have gotten the Aria Beauty Luxe Detangling Electroplated Brush, the Jovanera Mineral Imperial Jade Body Oil, the Stone Cold Fox Tea Towels, the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. And I think last time I got the body oil. This time they did send me the Stone Cold Fox tea towels. They are large tea towels. It is a set of 2. Retails for $38. And they're absorbent, white with blue stripes, 20 inches by 27.5, made of 75% cotton and 25% recycled polyester, handmade, made in India, and machine washable. They are huge, love it, and they're so fun and summery. Can't wait to put these in the kitchen. Next, you could have gotten the AG Hair Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner, the Smith French Dublin Aromatic Hand Wash Fresh Green Leaves, the Love Script Body Wash, the Cruiser Bluetooth Water Speaker, the Ciate London Furious Flex Precision Tip Liquid Liner, or the Epira Dual Salt and Pepper Mill. I think I chose a mystery choice out of where they sent me something kind of random last time. And that's kind of what they did this time as well. It says mystery choice here on the thing. So it is from the Better Skin Company. It is their Epic Sea Serum. French plant-based actives work to keep your skin looking tighter and brighter. Pack a triple punch with our most potent serum. Actually, I've been needing a new vitamin C, so I am happy about this one and give this one a try, and love how clear it is, that it hasn't started to oxidize or anything like that. Because you know, when it's clear, that's the color that the vitamin C should be. As soon as it starts, so store these in a dark place, so that, and I don't like that they're in a clear bottle because that can help to the oxidation. Store them in a dark place where sun can't get to them. And then, but when it starts to look kind of creamy and especially brown, they need to go. That means they are oxidized and they're no longer working for you. Next, you could have gotten This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, which I think I got in the last month's box. The Wish Beauty Blue Matcha Restoring Mask. And they sent me the same thing they sent me last time. I wish they would have sent me something different. It is a Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. So this does retail for $40, and you use it each night to bring calm and relaxation whilst nourishing the skin. Our unique super blend of shea butter, creme bella, and sativa oils will help to nourish your skin and support the skin barrier, while our original deep sleep fragrance of lavender, chamomile, and veloutant will help send you to a restful slumber. I keep this on my nightside table and put it on my hands right before I go to bed, and I think it helps. So I am happy to throw this in an upcoming giveaway for you guys. Like I said, I've already started setting stuff aside for 900 and 1,000 subscribers, so help us get there. Next, you could have gotten the Chicken Tonic Silicone Straws, which is what I think I got in the last month's box. Or you've kind of gotten the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Lengthening Mascara. I've had that in the past, and I really do like it. You could have also gotten the Spongelle Body Wash Infused Buffer in Black Orchid. Did get this Spongelle in a Black Orchid. You guys, so what it is, it's basically like a body sponge, and you keep it in your bathroom, and the soap and everything else is already inside the body wash. So it just, when you use it, kind of lather it up in your hands, and then work it all over your body, and then kind of hang it up to dry. And then next time, You can use it. It's a multi-use sponge. And when you first start off, it's kind of more rough to it, so it kind of exfoliates more, and the more and more you use it, the softer it gets. This does retail for $16. Like I said, I do have another, I think I have a pear scent one that's in my shower right now. And Spongelle has collaborated with FabFitFun to create a limited edition body wash infused buffer. This buffer was built in body wash are infused with extracts of yuzu and edelweiss and vetiver root to cleanse, exfoliate, and massage and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home. Each sponge is created and scented in lather and endures for at least 14 plus washes, shower after shower, and I could say mine lasts for about a month. The fragrance notes are the bergamot, which is the juicy mandarin, orchid petals and jasmine, black gardenia, lotus flower, yang, sandalwood, pachmat, and vanilla. So I already have like a couple already backups of this, so I think I'm going to be putting this one in one of those upcoming giveaways for you guys as well. So the last one, you could have gotten the Winky Lunch Rainbow Lip Balm, the Purely's Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel, which I think I got in the last one, the Purely's Peel. Or you could have gotten Avena Thermal Spring Water. So they did send me, how cute is this for spring? The Rainbow Tinted Balm, it retails for $18. And Meet Our Hybrid Rainbow Balm is tinted and pH hybrid balm that leaves behind Just Been Kissed flush of color. The red and orange stripes are tinted, while the blue stripe is pH activated for a cherry pink finish. Fresh and fruity, it's pineapple flavored. Its universally flattering cherry pink shade can be used as lips and cheeks. Jojoba oil nourishes skin, delightful pineapple flavor. And it has this bullet packaging. Look how cute this is. So I think I am going to put this in an upcoming giveaway for you guys too. So I think there was some amazing stuff in here. It's interesting that this was the first time that I noticed that they've grabbed everything for this box from this products that were featured in the spring box. I kind of liked it before where there was random kind of stuff, so it wasn't all stuff that you were already really familiar with. What did you guys think? I got stuff for you, I got stuff for me. The retail value was $275 of this box, so well worth it if you're gonna use a bunch of the products in here, which I think I'm going to. So let me know, what were your favorites? What did you guys think of that? Let me know that in the comments down below. I love how this group is such a fun, good group and positive vibes supporting each other, which is what everybody needs now. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do just hit the subscribe button twice. It'll turn on the notifications for you. That way you know when our next video will be posted. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, please go and check them out. I hope that you guys are staying safe first and foremost. I really, really do pray for each of you guys and that you and your families are staying safe. And I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Take care, guys. Bye.